So we are in our studio. It is almost done.
Almost.
We have our lights, which are really cool.
Yeah, we've cleared out all of the clutter that we actually put into this room when we decluttered the living room and the kitchen.
That's right. So it's nice and clear. It's simple. We feel good here, except
we need to purchase a table. And I know that with the decluttering, this was simplifying and getting rid of things. But the problem is that we don't have a table to fit our needs in the studio.
So one of the things that we'd like to do moving forward with you is to share some projects and some things that we have in mind as part of this experience. And we just don't have the right table for that.
Or chairs. We don't have the right table or chairs. So we're going to go off in search of the right table, something that fits our wabi-sabi, rustic, country lifestyle. Actually, why don't we give them a quick tour of the YouTube studio and show them where the table's going to go and what the other stuff is so that they can see what we're looking for.
Sounds good.
Okay.
It's going to be real quick.
It's a small studio. It's going to be real quick.
Okay, so this is the studio, very small, like I said, not going to take long at all to show you. But this is where we're planning on putting the table over here.
In this
so
space.
You see, there's not a huge amount of space. The table that we had in mind, way too big. Camera, other equipment on this repurposed shelf. And then what I really love are the lights because it makes it really feel like a studio in here.
They're full spectrum bulbs and they're LED so they don't get hot. So what we're going to do is take the semi-transparent shower curtain and we're just going to cut it in a circle around here and we're just going to clip it on literally with clothespins to diffuse the light. So once those two are diffused, this one already has, this ring light already has a diffuser on it. So I can turn this off so you can see that. I wonder
if it'll show through the video on what it does to eyes if I take a close-up of your eyes. Will that show? That ring?
No. Yeah, so
Let's try.
If you come over here.
Okay. This is pretty cool.
And I do this. I'll adjust it. Can you,
don't trip on our chair.
On the rocking corner.
Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Or you walk closer, maybe. Let's see. Yes, you get that light. See the light just off to the side of his pupil? That's what this type of light, what is it called?
A ring light?
Ring light. See the little ring in his eyes?
It might be better if you come through here.
Oh no, I can see it. Every time you change your position, you can see it. And we can see it there too.
We're off to find a table and then our studio is complete.
Hey, you have to come check out these chairs over here. Talk about a mountain view and a place to chill and have your lunch for the people that work here. Want to have a seat?
They're kind of wet. But it's a consignment shop with a view.
That's right, a beautiful view. All right, we're off to the other place.
Nothing in there.
Nope.
Nothing even close.
Are they not open for business? What's that sign say? I don't think they're open, hon.
I think they're closed.
So that consignment shop that we went to is closed, so we can't go there. But we are going to the downtown shop that we love that has a lot of really cool things. And we think it's open. We don't know for sure, but we're guessing. But it's an antique shop. We know the owner, and she sometimes, offers some really good deals. But she has some really neat things. plastic, and it's $35. And you put up these,
The sides.
yeah.
Maybe at some point we repaint it or refinish it.
Well, we wouldn't have to do that
Does
right
it?
away. And
Is
I'm
it?
saying,
Is it wobbly? That's really wobbly.
can it be fixed?
I don't know. Let me take a look. Yeah. Yeah, easily. I think it just needs to be tightened in all actuality. So we got these nuts under here that probably just need to be tightened.
So if you pull the swing,
Okay.
I want to see if the other one's sturdy on the other side.
Okay, hold on. I gotta get up there.
Yeah. Okay, that comes out. So basically it would be like this. I mean there's space enough there for 1 or 2 people. It would be tight, but it would fit perfectly in the space.
Yes, it would.
But it's a table for projects, and
It is.
it's relatively cheap, and it's definitely wabi-sabi.
This is a cute little table.
It is.
It is, and
It
it's
reminds me of my grandmother's cottage, the
Yeah.
kitchen table in my grandmother's
Yeah.
cottage. It's really cute. So what were you doing for them this morning? How did-
Packing boxes.
Okay.
You can put some paint on
Yes. Yeah. And he's gonna tighten up the legs.
it. Yeah,
Needs a little
it
tightening
does.
all around.
Yeah, see?
Yeah.
But it can be easy.
Yes. That's what we figured. So, all right. Well, we can.
yeah. I can grab that.
All right.
Oh, okay. Huh.
Are you okay with that?
Oh yeah. Yep. All right. I'm gonna take the corner. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna turn.
You're pretty good at this.
Well, you know how many times I've moved?
We've had a lot of practice. All right, before we bring this table in, I'm gonna do a little cleaning up, try to tighten those legs. So I got the legs off pretty easily. They weren't on that tight. And then these pieces here, for the most part, they seem like they're in there nice and solid. Everything seems good, so I think I could just get some, maybe put a little WD-40, some de-rust stuff, some lubricant, tighten those down, wipe everything down, and then we should just be able to put it right into the studio. It's dirtier than I thought it was going to be.
All right, we're at our new table.
We are at the new table, and it's awesome.
It is awesome.
It is perfectly imperfect.
It is. I don't think I want to do a thing to it because, I was originally thinking this would probably be really nice if we stripped off the paint and it had its original wood, but that's not really very great for the environment, and it has a lot of character the way it is.
It's a nice table, and Jan was awesome to us.
She was.
Yeah, she said $30 cash, and neither of us carry cash anymore, so we didn't have the cash. And so Jan said, "Oh, just swing it by."
Yep. So we're going to go by
Swing
tomorrow.
it by. Who does that anymore?
Right.
That was awesome.
Very much.
Jan, you're awesome.
Jan, you are awesome. We hope you see this, Jan.
All right.
But anyway, what I did want to say is that that's like the typical community that we are interested in embracing is one that is local to you and one that, you treat like a friend, like a really good friend or a relative, people that you're really close with. And that's something we also embrace.
Exactly. Building a community. And even though we're in COVID-19 and everything's a mess, it's really still important to have that community and to build that community. And even if it's online, throw us a line, give us a comment. Let's start a conversation, become part of our community. That
Definitely.
would be awesome. We'd love that.
We'd love that a lot. And, I was sitting here and I was thinking, you know what? This smells like Jan's place.
It does. It smells like an antique shop for sure. And I tried to wash it really well, but it still smells like an antique shop. So, that being said, we would love for you to watch some of our other videos. We've got some tremendous hikes. There's going to be a video. Oh, let's see, because we're up here now. I'm going to put it down here.
Okay.
For
right
watch
here.
a new video. You'll be able to subscribe right here. And you could watch a whole playlist of our hikes in this Great Smoky Mountain National Park or some other Simplify Your Life, Wabi-Sabi, Ikigai type things.
Us getting healthy and fit.
Us getting healthy and fit,
Us
yes.
cooking our favorite foods that are healthy.
Absolutely. Our What You Making series.
Yep. What you making?
I don't know yet,
All right.
but we'll find out.
Sounds good.
Ciao for now.